Top of the day to you all. You are welcome to this very important course of your teacher education program, Edu 312 Subjects Method. This course is very important because as a will-be teacher, you should be acquainted with various methods available to pass instruction across to your students in your subject area. Obviously, at the end of this course, you should be able to know one or two other methods suitable to use as means of instruction by the time you eventually start teaching after your teacher education program. I am Daniel, Oludipe Daniel. I will be your instructor for this course, and you can find me at oludipedi@taske.edu.ng or 070-5103-5556. This course is divided into 7 modules, with each module having its own units. The units are arranged in such a way to enhance sound acquisition of knowledge. Module 1 is about concept of general and subject methods and is divided into 3 units. Unit 1 talks about definition of teaching method and teaching theories. Unit 2 talks about factors determining teaching methodology. Unit 3 talks about examples of teaching methods and their techniques. Module 2 is about lesson plan. Lesson plan is what you need as a teacher to prepare yourself before you enter classroom for teaching, and is divided into 2 units. The first unit talks about lesson plan as a basic tool. What is it all about? The key parts of a lesson plan. Unit 2 talks about format of a lesson plan. That is, how does a standardized lesson plan look like? Module 3 is about broad groupings in instruction, and it is divided into 4 units. Unit 1 talks about types of instructional groups, why instructional grouping is being used. Unit 2 talks about actions for effectiveness in order to achieve a successful instructional grouping. Unit 3 talks about importance of group placement. Unit 4 talks about changes in the role of the teacher required by instructional groups and policy implications. Module 4 is about issues in delivery of instruction, and this module 4 is divided into 2 units. Unit 1 talks about the meaning of delivery of instruction, that is, what is delivery of instruction. Unit 2 talks about subjective practices you need to know as a teacher in order to have a successful delivery of instruction. Module 5 is about the concept and benefits of individualized instruction and is divided into 2 units. Unit 1 talks about meaning of individualized instruction, its benefits and drawbacks. Unit 2 talks about procedures for a sound individualized instruction. Module 6 talks about the problems and strategies for the management of large classes and is divided into 6 units. Unit 1 talks about basic concept of classroom management. Unit 2 talks about the 4 classroom management styles and outcomes. Unit 3 talks about how do you choose a classroom management style. Unit 4 talks about 4 components of classroom management. Unit 5 talks about management strategies. Unit 6 talks about importance of effective classroom management. Module 7, which is the last module, talks about classroom organization and is divided into 2 units. Unit 1 talks about classroom organization and tips to achieve classroom organization. Unit 2 talks about common types of classroom organization. Obviously, with seriousness from your side, you have a lot to gain from this course. Wishing you best of luck. Thank you.